Gentlemen, this is Mantelligence. Today we're showing you 10 powerful tricks to get a better-looking, more attractive face. Contrary to what a lot of guys think, you don't need the perfect bone structure, you don't need piercing blue eyes, and you don't need to be tall, dark, and handsome. Because if you use all of these 10 powerful tricks, you'll have a natural-looking, insanely attractive face that women will love. So, here are 10 tricks any guy can do to have a more attractive face. Number 10. 5 o'clock shadow. Compared to a full beard, a clean-shaven face, or somewhere in between, the 5 o'clock shadow is perfect for adding an attractive, angular dimension to the face, while also creating the appearance of a strong jawline. Think about it. The 5 o'clock shadow is basically the male equivalent of wearing makeup, except with less work. The only thing to remember is just to make sure your facial hair doesn't get too long or too short. And if you can't grow stubble thick enough to pull this one off, don't worry, because there's plenty of other options on this list. Number 9. Top-down symmetry. Because nobody's face is perfectly symmetrical, guys with more symmetrical features are seen as more rare to women than guys without them. So for guys whose faces might be a little uneven, there's a crafty way to create the illusion of symmetry that starts from the top of your head down. See, by styling your hair in a way that contrasts the rounder aspects of your face, while still highlighting the squarer parts, you optimize your hairstyle to work with you and not against you. Not sure what style is best? The easiest way to do it is to visit a stylist or barber who knows what they're doing. And if you don't have the hair for it, try creating that same symmetry with the right hat. Number 8. The good side. It may sound simple, but you can choose which side you present to girls. Feel like that's gotta be too easy? Think again. As a guy, you get fooled almost every day by women who only show you what they want you to see. And that trick, gentlemen, goes both ways, so give it a shot. Pick which side you like best and stick with it. Number 7. Standardized skincare. Here's one thing we noticed. It seems that all too often, guys will worry about how attractive their face looks without doing anything about the most noticeable part of their face, their skin. So we're gonna say this plainly. Women love guys with clean, clear, and attractive skin. How do you get skin that women love? Try Tiege Hanley. If you haven't heard of them, then honestly, you must have just found YouTube. Tiege is guys like Alpha M, Based Zeus, and Antonio Centeno's trick to getting skin women love. See, using a good standardized skincare system like Tiege does 2 huge tricks to make your face more attractive. Trick number 1. It helps remove and prevent acne. No duh, right? Women are hugely more attracted to a man with clear skin than one whose face is covered with acne. And just like soap cleans your body, Tiege's face wash cleans your face of dirt, grime, and excess oil, helping to remove acne and to keep your face acne-free. Trick number 2. It keeps your skin moisturized. Most guys don't realize the importance of moisturized skin. But after acne-free skin, it's probably the most important step to having an attractive face. Moisturized skin looks healthy, and subconsciously to women, it looks attractive. Tiege's specially formulated moisturizer works to keep you moisturized even while you sleep. And as a bonus trick to make your face more attractive, studies show the combined use of a face wash plus a moisturizer increases acne treatment efficacy by 97%. In other words, you need an effective skincare system. And just like the advice in our videos, Tiege Hanley actually works. They were even kind enough to give us an amazing discount code. Check it out in the description, and note, it will only work for a limited time. Number 6. Friendly face maneuvers. The human face has 43 muscles. Ever wonder why? A lot of guys think that just because the face is where the mouth is, the only communicating it needs to do is through verbal speaking. Not true. Without saying a word, your face can do a lot of talking and flirting on its own. And by being more friendly and approachable in general, animated faces are automatically more attractive. So, how can you have a more expressive face? Here are 3 ways. Number 1. Talk, because if you're not talking, moving your face might look a little weird. Number 2. Smile. The best expression you can make a habit of doing is smiling, no matter what. And 3. Learn to use your eyebrows. Because you may not realize it, but your brow line is the key to silent, unspoken communication. Number 5, try out glasses. Even if you've got 20/20 vision, glasses might just be the way to make your face 20/20 times more attractive. Here's how it works. While some of the tricks in this video focus on making your face more symmetrical, more masculine, or more healthy, wearing glasses has been scientifically proven to make faces seem more intelligent than they are. Number 4, push your head out in pictures. Want an old photography trick that'll not only take care of that pesky double chin, but also create an aesthetic, angular face in your pictures? Try pushing your head forward toward the camera. Yep, we're serious. The pose is virtually undetectable in straight-on photos, while also creating the perfect illusion of a leaner face, especially around the jaw. But even though a little bit of fat beneath the chin is normal, that doesn't mean you've got to let it sneak into your pictures. Number 3, white teeth. Can't believe it took us so long to get to this one? Us neither. If you're looking for an easy way to instantly gain a few points, whitening your teeth has to be the easiest way to do it. Why? Because no matter what else might be wrong with your face, white teeth are a standout feature that makes a great first impression, while also making your face more attractive to virtually any girl. Don't believe us? Well, testing it is easy. Go to the store and grab a cheap whitening kit, or go big and go to the dentist. Apply a few times and see how many compliments you get when you show your pearly whites. Number 2, catch some Z's. Ever hear from a girl, "You look tired"? Well, what she was really saying was that you'd look a whole lot better if you got some sleep. Bet you missed that one, huh? If there's one thing any guy can do to instantly create a healthy, energetic, and attractive face, it's get more sleep. And if you don't already know, guys, not only is sleep the key to brightening up a dull, drowsy face to girls, it's also the secret weapon to the kind of seize-the-day attitude that really makes you look good to women. Number 1, exercise. A close relative to sleep, and the number 1 trick to a more attractive face, is getting a fit body. It's scientifically proven. Faces on in-shape bodies appear more attractive than faces on unfit bodies. Why? Because exercise alone hits every single quality of facial attractiveness. It increases testosterone, it reduces facial fatty tissue, which promotes symmetry. It's been proven to improve mental clarity and confidence, and most of all, it gives you the unmistakable light in your eye of strength and good health. Those are the 10 surefire tricks to a cleaner, healthier, more attractive face. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments and give it a thumbs up, and we'd love it if you'd click and subscribe. And don't forget to grab your huge discount on our sponsor, Tiege Hanley. And thank you for supporting the brands that help make these videos possible. Thanks for watching.